To share Wi-Fi network on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter connections. Now go to the Wi-Fi, and here if you want to connect your Samsung to the shared network, click on this QR code scanner and then scan the QR code that is showing up on other device that is sharing a Wi-Fi network for you. In case that you want to share it, then select a network that you plan on sharing and click on this gear icon. Now go for the QR code and then you can unlock your device. You can also go for share if you like, but here you will find QR code that you can scan in the method that I've shown you at the beginning, and then you'll be able to connect that network on other devices. You can also use share network, that way use things like Wi-Fi Direct and your account to share it as well with other devices. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.